honey bourbon chipotle all-purpose seasoning with a twist of lime. That's right, folks. That's what we're going to be trying today. This is from Jolanda, Jlanda1217 on Instagram. He wants me to see what I think about it. And he's got 5 questions that I'll be going through when I taste it. Probably help me do a better job on reviewing things. Jolanda1217 is the one that I got my burger press from. You've seen that video. You can go over there and get you your own. I mean, this sucker is heavy, wooden, pretty handle on it. Check that out. And he has a couple different colors. Here's a sticker. So today is not really about the cook. And yes, I'm using the Weber Kettle charcoal. Probably offset for a while, but it's about the seasoning. We're cooking with center cut pork loins. They're real pretty. I get them washed up. They got a bone in them. You got to wash them pork if you're cutting the bones, just to make sure you don't have any little pieces in there. So we're going to take care of that. Get it on the grill. I'll show you a little bit of stuff, but it's about these questions. These questions. There they are. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is another edition of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, the big W made me that. Yeah. Isn't that an awesome sign? All right, let's get on with this cook. Look at them babies. All right, thick cut, center loin, bone in, thick. That sucker is thick. All right, we'll get the seasoning on here. Let it sit for a few minutes. I've already washed them and dried them. All right, yeah, it's got chipotle in it. All right. Woo! Got a kick to it. You can smell the kick to it. So let's. Oh yeah. The chipotle, the lime. It's got some other kicks in there. That's pretty good. All right. So let's we're gonna get some of that on here. We're gonna push it around, kind of pat it in. Woo! Maddie would like this one. There's all different flavors in it. You can't see that. Woo! Alright, let me get the rest of these fixed up. We'll be right back. Alright, so I used more than half of one packet. I still got one more packet right here because I do have some corn, because I want to taste test it on some corn. I still taste it. I had to go over there and take a swig of my blue tea. Yeah. It's very good though. I'm not a real heavy hot sauce, spicy kind of a person, and this is good because it's got just a taste to give it to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set these on the grill, and I'm gonna turn them over and lay them on the grill, and I'll put a little bit more on top of it. I see y'all over at the Weber Kettle. Yeah. All right. We're gonna take these bad boys right here. Look at that. We're gonna lay them right there. All 4 nice babies. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks really good. I've got a feeling it's gonna be a winner. Okay, now I did kind of push in on them because I didn't want the bottom to just fall off. So on this part here, kind of little. Sorry, I'm probably doing this backwards, aren't I? I'm not left-handed. Okay, You know what? Let's just call that. I use the whole bag on 4 center cut thick meat. That's right. 1 bag down. All right. We'll see y'all in a couple hours. Yeah. I want to come on real quick and show y'all what it's starting to look like on top. Yes, I'm offset cooking. Might need to add some more charcoal. Let me zoom in. Check that out. That is turning pretty. Oh, let's look at this other one here. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's just cooking right into it. Look at that. That is very pretty. So far, I'm liking this. We're going to leave them on this side a little bit longer. Okay, I just flipped them and they look beautiful. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more charcoal over there, and we might start moving them closer here in a few minutes. But I think the next thing you're going to see is me pulling it off and doing a taste test and answer the 5 questions that Jaylanda 1217 asked me. Yeah. Alright, steaks are done. Jaylanda 1217, we're going to answer your 5 questions here in just a second. This is the beautiful center cut pork loin with honey, bourbon, chipotle, all-purpose seasoning with twist of lime. Yeah. Here it is. I don't know how good you can see it or not, but it looks awesome. So the answers to question 3 and 4, how do you like the color? I love the color. And 4, does it sweat into your liking? Yes, very much so. It's question number 5. The center cut pork loin. Awesome. That's an awesome cut, nice and thick. Do you like the taste? Would you consider purchasing it? All right, we're gonna do a taste test now. I hope you can see that. That looks awesome. Beautiful presentation. All the way through the cook, I was really impressed with the way it looks. I cook a little different than a lot of other people, but I do fantastic cooks. You can learn from me. Here we go, the taste test. Citrus. Alright, we're just gonna go like this. That is wicked awesome. I am not lying. I'm not doing that for Joe. I'm telling you the truth. You go over there and get you some of this, you will know what I mean. That is truly, truly. Yes. Would I consider purchasing it? Yes, I would. Honey, bourbon, chipotle, all-purpose seasoning with twist of lime. It's all there. So much chipotle just kicked in. A little aftertaste. Papa did a good job on the pork chops too. Loin! Loin! Yeah, it was good raw too, but seasoned and cooked, embedded in the pork loin. It's awesome. This cook was brought to you by Jaylanda1217 over on Instagram. Awesome. Appreciate it. Go get you some. Yeah. It's Papa. It's Jaylanda. It's Papa's Kitchen. We'll see ya. Look at that. Isn't that that is really pretty right there. Yes, it is, folks. Oh man. What's this? That's a big bite. I do like Chipotle. And I like a good cut of meat. You ain't gonna go wrong with this one. Check out my buddy. We will see you. It's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See you.